guys, it's Karen from Art4 Acrylics. How are you? Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. This is basically a continuation from the last video in that I am still heavy sigh, heavy breathing, rolling my eyes as I got weary of doing big bloom blowouts. I will tell you, they are revived later on because I have like 5 videos lined up and they make a reappearance. But anyway, this one is a deconstructed bloom blowout. And again, I deliberately go ahead and mess things up just to get an interesting composition. I already know what it looks like and I'm super happy with it. So let me get you down. There's a shadow on it. This was the most beautiful painting and it's a fail because I screwed up the one corner. Let's see if you can see it. Why does it look so... Oops. Shoot. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Never mind. It's a fail. Going again. 18 by 24 Gallery 3 canvas. Oh my gosh. Why do the fails have to be on the big guys? Why? Why? It's like Murphy's Law. All right. I'm going to try this again. The usual colors. Here's Q-Nag. I'm going like you guys know what I'm doing because I've lost track of how many videos now. But that's Quinacridone Nickel Hazel Gold by Golden. This is also by Golden. This is their iridescent gold braid. Lots of that. And then the end of my waterfall. But I think I have enough. If not, I'm going to have to make up more. But yeah, there's waterfall. And then I'm killing off this little piggy in Lagoon. So lots of Lagoon. Kill this off too. There's Lagoon. And then we're going to go again with the gold. And then the Q-Nag. But then I have this other color from another project. This is a Holcroft tube paint. It is called, what's it called? Pool Party. This is Pool Party. It's very close to Lagoon without the shimmer. A little more blue in it too. So there's Pool Party. And then my CA. Whoa, that was a lot. Okay. And here comes the blowout. And I'm tuckered. This is like, I've been a maniac. This is like the, I don't know, I think the 4th video today on my hands and knees. So yeah, here goes. blew really hard in the middle. I think I'm going to attempt this again, where I'm going to tilt and then spin. And I'm going to smush the middle a bit. And I forgot my gloves. Oh well. So I'm going to cream into the middle. Sort of kind of worked, but not really. I want this one to be more deconstructed. All right, there, the middle was smushed there. All right, let me give this a spin. I'll call this a deconstructed spin. This is what happened to me last time. The one corner doesn't get covered. I don't like all that dark stuff at the top either. But first things first. All right, let's put that there for a second. Why did it paint? Oops. Oh my goodness, get to that one corner for crying out loud. It doesn't want to. Well, fine, don't. I really like the movement. Maybe I just keep going. Oh, I just put white through it. I'll get that later. See what I did? We're going to spin some more. I do love the movement. Oh my goodness. I want to take off the dark stuff up at the top and get to this one little corner. But I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Hold on. I'll let it go for a sec. I'll keep an eye on that top part. Aha! I think I got to my corner. I love the unusual composition. I think it's hella cool. It's got some movement to it. Yay! Hold on. Oh, if I'd spin maybe a couple more revolutions, that white line that I accidentally made might come off. It's really close to the edge. And I see a couple spots. Then I'm going to take a skewer or two and probably stick a finger in it. Oh, good girl. See the white line? I don't know if you guys can see that. Here. I guess I try to spin it off. And then probably tilt everything back up a little bit too. I don't know if that's going to come off. I might have to touch that up later. Yeah, you know what? It's not worth my composition. It's super close to the edge now. I'm going to tilt upward a little bit and then put it up on my drying table to operate on a couple little very, very minor things. This thing is barely moving. Oh yeah, that's hella cool. Ta-da! Let me clean up and get you guys down. Okay guys, I'm back with the wet results of this one. I think it's my favorite of all. I should have realized, I just caught like some bug in my hand and saved my painting. I should have realized that at some point doing blooms on a 20 by 20 that I would get bloomed out, as I usually do, and want to deconstruct things. So the 18 by 24 to the rescue. I don't know why. This is the kind of thing that bugs me. Like, I got little bits of white right in here that bug me, because I like the like river of black we had going down here from all of this stuff. So I'm definitely going to touch up that. I had a big old white spot up there I already took care of. And there's some speckles. But, you know, it's art. It's fluid art. I'm going to live with them. Like that one there is going to bug me. But it's so cool. I don't want to mess with it. I can do things to it when it's dry if need be. There's my line. I'll just color that with some Q-Neg and make it like it's a part of the thing, because I didn't want to spin off all of these lines here. They're just too cool. And once again, y'all, I kind of like the addition of that pool party color by Holcroft. And I love the bold abstract stuff at the top. All of this here. This here with the, look at that line of cells, and then the middle is just freaking phenomenal. So this is a big winner for me. I'm loving it. Love the composition. Double ta-da. I'm gonna tuck away everything, say goodnight to my studio. Hopefully you come back tomorrow with some great dry results. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back with the dried and resined and framed results of this one. It just has like a natural glow about it that I'm in love with. I turned up my my lights so you could see it without the glare. Like, can you see it? Like, it's just, I'm kind of at a loss for words with this one, because I'm just in love with it. One of my favorite things is, like, can you see the gold like blinging out in between these fine lines? There's just all kinds of little details in this piece that like this whole part too. Oh my goodness, it's just, yeah, I'm like at a loss for words because I'm so happy with it. I love the whole twisty nature of it. I love the two really bold parts on either side of each other. Happy with the composition and how the colors fell. Yeah, it's primo. I'm in love. I love resining in my studio because I don't have to deal with the dog and cat hair, and there's been very minimal like dust, and this thing is flawless. So I'm really happy with that, and I think the frame sets it off nicely. You have to let me know what you guys think, if you're as taken with this one as I am, or I don't know, maybe you'll be like, meh, it's fine. I like this whole little swirl right here too. Like, there's so many little areas that tickle my fancy, I guess. So, yep, that's it. Let me flip and say goodbye. All right, guys. So, as far as I'm concerned, sometimes when you get ants in your pants to do something different and you're all itchy, it kind of works out. Yeah, so I'm super happy about that. I think that's like 2 for 2. So I kind of got that out of my system. And I've already filmed the next video, which will be up on Friday, for the Fluid Art Boutique collaboration with all 5 of us that are going to Santa Fe April 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. So tune into that. We'll have a premiere little train going on with all of our videos using Santa Fe colors. And that's going to be hella fun. We'll post about it everywhere in a few days. And until then, take care, be well. Thanks for putting up with me, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.